Yep, so Corndon Hill today. First one since the Welsh Three Peaks. It's a really nice day as well. So yeah, it stands at 1,685 feet, Corndon Hill. And its parent peak is Stiperstones, so hopefully I'll be able to point that out when I get to the top. There you go, I'm guessing that's Corndon Hill up there. So hell of a way to go, yeah. 1.5 miles in there. That's better. Bit of flat and no mud. Yep, so Corndon Hill's known as a Marilyn because he's got a prominence of 492 feet. So there's hundreds in the UK. They've got to have a prominence of at least 500 feet, 492 to be exact, to be known as a Marilyn. So yeah. Too much rain all the time, that's the problem. Some ascent there, that's for sure. Oh no. Yeah. God, this is hell of an ascent, this is. It's really knackered there. Something's coming up. Bronze Age burial cairn. So there you go then, summit of Corndon Hill. Really is a tough ascent. Unbelievable views up here though, absolutely spectacular. over in the distance there, like I promised you, that's Stiperstones. I think that's the second or third highest point in Shropshire. Brownlee Hill is obviously the highest. Yeah, that's Stiperstones over there. I'd like to do that again in better weather. Yep, so just heading down from the summit of Corndon Hill. Absolutely spectacular views up there. Amazing. Got a bit of drone footage. Really windy, but it held in there. Old William did the drone, so not too bad there. So yeah, Corndon Hill. Little geology fact for you that I like to get in. Dolerite rock, which is basically the cooling of magma from volcanoes. Yeah, there's been many battles in Shropshire on these hills over the thousands of centuries. And then in 1951, apparently a professor from Birmingham confirmed that a battle axe found was from Corndon Hill. One of the battles, medieval battles, thousands and thousands of years ago. Absolutely superb, isn't it? Look at them views, right? Magnificent. So peaceful, isn't it? Oh, it's 4.5 miles, 4.05 miles now. Can't use Strava anymore. It's me, fortunately my watch is 9 years old. So I can use Strava on my phone but not on my watch, so I've had to hook it up another way, so this goes onto Strava. So that's where I come from, Corndon Hill there. So that's the summit of Lan Fawr over there. So let's push on to that as part of the route. There you go, that's the summit of Lan Fawr then. Listed as in a Welsh pool. That's where we come from up there. Corndon Hill. Superb. Just strange, wasn't it? Not the easiest route to follow, be aware of that if you do it. Certainly a lot of twists and turns. That's it then, nearly 7 mile. That's another one done there, Corndon Hill, and also seen the summit of Lan Fawr. Absolute cracker, amazing views, nice 7 miler. So cheers guys, I might go and grab a coffee or tea. So see you next time. The only way's up, baby.